We'll go with the 13th problem here. Right. Vinita uses 1/4 by 4 cup of apple sauce in place of every 1/3 cup of butter. So which means, see, apple sauce, see, 1/4 apple sauce is equal to 1/3 cup of butter, right? Butter. In our cookie recipe, how many cups of apple sauce will Vinita uses in place of 1 cup of butter, right? So 1/3 of butter. So let us check out here. So 1 cup of butter, 1 cup of butter is nothing but, see, 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3, right? Which makes, so 3. So if you take a LCM here, right, denominator and as well as numerator is also same, so you can directly add it here. So here, so when the denominator is same, right, just add the numerator, that is 1 1 1, that is going to be 3, which is nothing but 1, right? So 1/3 1/3 1/3. So here, so 1 cup of butter is nothing but 3 this. So similarly, so we know that 1/3 butter is nothing but 1/4 of apple sauce. So 1 apple sauce, so which is going to 1 cup of butter is going to be 1/4 plus apple sauce 1/4 plus 1/4. Here, see, denominator is same, take this 4 and add the numerator, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is going to be 3. So the answer is 3/4 of apple sauce she uses in place of 1 cup of butter. That is option D is the right one.